gonna have to end up probably taking them off because they're not on my lash line. They're not on. You guys can, okay. So this is the beginning of my makeup journey. So just, you know, if you stick with me in like 6 months, I'll be having lashes down pat. So this looks like a fool right now. So don't do this. I'm just trying to tell you guys how to do it so you guys can just kind of wing it and figure it out yourselves. But okay, let's take them apart. Now I don't know. Hey, this is Honeybee with the Beauty Parlor with Honeybee. Thank you for stopping by. And I am going to do a lash video. So, I've never worn lashes. So, these are actually going to be my first time I'm ever wearing lashes. And my first time ever doing lashes. So, I'm going to be doing them with you. So, thank you for stopping by. So, the lashes that I chose are from Sally's. So, all the information to the lashes will be in the description down below. So, ARDELL brand. I've watched a lot of, you know, other beauty influencers on YouTube, and they like to use the ARDELL lashes. If anybody has any other idea of lashes that I could try out, just leave me some information in commenting, and I will definitely try those out. So the brand that I chose are from Sally Beauty Supply, and they're the ARDELL Professional Magnetic Lashes. So I've been seeing all over YouTube and Facebook and Instagram people trying out the lashes. So I just wanted to get some locally because I checked on Amazon and checked on the different places, and they were like $20 and $25, and I'm not sure if they work, and they're going to be my first time using them, so I just wanted to try these. So here we go. We're going to do these together. ARDELL Magnetic Lashes, and they actually only cost $12.99 at Sally Beauty Supply. So they have their directions on here. The application: gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. This is going to be so weird, y'all, because I've never done this. So this is going to be my first time trying to wear some lashes. And Coach is like, don't wear lashes. He's seen these like, whose are these? So it's like bugging out. So we're going to try these on. I don't know why I feel nervous. Like, I feel like I'm going to look like an idiot on this video trying to put these on. So they come in this little package like this. Oh, is it upside down? There. And they have the upper and they have the lower. It says upper and under. And these are the wispies. And I used to work at Sally Beauty Supply, and people used to come in there all the time. And they used to choose the wispies or the double wispies in the regular kind that you use the glue, the adhesive. So I just chose these because these seem to be the most popular. So let's see if we can get these out of here. Okay. So they come out like this. And they're pretty full. They're so intimidating. So the direction says, gently remove upper magnetic lash from the tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. That's step 1. So okay, so the removal is different, but this is the application. So we're gonna gently remove upper magnetic lash. So they're like stuck to like these little circles. I don't know if you can see them. It's like some kind of like sticky stuff. So they're stuck to that. All right, so I guess this is how this is gonna go. So, and lay on top of your natural lash line. So I guess we're gonna just go like this and just hope that it stays there until we figure the second part out. Okay, so I can't really move because it's like falling. So you just want to leave it there. Oh my god. This mascara that I have on is like all over my face. Okay, wait a minute, you guys. This is not working out. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna assume, okay, gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnetic lashes together. Okay, so Okay, so I'm gonna have to end up probably taking them off because they're not on my lash line. They're not on. You guys can, okay. So this is the beginning of my makeup journey. So just, you know, if you stick with me in like 6 months, I'll be having lashes down pat. So this looks like a fool right now. So don't do this. I'm just trying to tell you guys how to do it so you guys can just kind of wing it and figure it out yourselves. But okay, let's take them apart. Now I don't know. Okay, I think this is the top one. Okay, this is the top one. So this is gonna be the top, and I'm just gonna try it because you remember it was on those sticky things. So I'm gonna say they have like some kind of sticky on the end. This is like a mess right now. All right. Now this is the bottom, and they have like these magnetic stuff on them. So once they're on, we're gonna just push them. All right, so it's just coming off here. You know, maybe I'll use some tweezers the next time. But as you can see, they're really full. And the beginning of them are, I just have to push this part back. We're gonna try one more time. I'm not gonna hold you guys up because you're gonna get the hang of it on your own. And I'm gonna keep continuing to practice with my lashes. I just really wanna just give you guys the idea of how to put them on. So now I'm gonna separate them one more time. And I'm gonna try to get this right. 3 times a charm. All right. And they come, well, trial and error, and they come off pretty good. So let's do this one more time. What I can tell you is they do stick to each other quite nicely. So I don't know if any of you guys have any from like Amazon or other places that you spend a whole bunch of money on. But these do stick to each other quite nicely. Yay, I think I did it. Look, you guys, I think I have it. Yes, I have them on. So these are the Demi Wispy Lashes from Sally's. This is new to me. I never had lashes on before. So as you can see, the no lashes over here and lashes over here. Yay. All right, so again, Ardell magnetic lashes at Sally's, $12.99. You do not have to go on Amazon or Ulta and spend $50 or $30. They are reusable, and it says removal. You're just gonna use your index finger and thumb, carefully slide top and bottom magnets away from each other. Do not pull lashes straight off because you will pull all of your real lashes off. So yeah, see how nice and full they are? And actually I'm going like this. You probably can use mascara on them and they won't even move. They're not even like moving, they're still on. So they seem to be pretty durable. So let's see, let's try to take them off. We're gonna just pull. Yeah, they just come right off. See? Go get you some magnetic lashes from Sally's and stop playing. All right, thank you for stopping by. This is going to be a quick video. I have lots of ideas and lots of videos coming, so just stay tuned with me. I know I've been out of the loop for a minute, but I'm back and we're going to be more consistent with them beauty videos, and I'm looking forward to everybody being on this journey with me. Thank you. Bye.